You're not unproductive. You just don't have a system that shows you exactly where your week is falling apart. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my weekly planner Google Sheet template. And I promise once you see how everything works together, you're never going to plan your week any other way. So, the very first thing you have to do when you open this template is set your month and year right here. And the moment you do that, entire sheet updates, the dates adjust automatically. You don't have to touch anything else. Now let's talk about the dashboard at the top right here. This is one of my favorite parts. Here is in the dashboard. Every week is the clickable hyperlink. So if you want to go to week 3, just click and it's done. No scrolling, no hunting around. Right below that, you have got weekly task completion table. This gives you a bird eye view of every week of entire month. Here is how many tasks set for each week, how many tasks completed for each week, and here is the percentage of completion, task completion for every week. So you can see at a glance which week you have crushed it and which week you have to push harder. And then right next to that, you have got weekly progress section where you can track your weekly progress for entire month. Here is the cool thing. When your week is in still progress, the bar shown in soft faint color. But the moment when your week is completed, it switches to bold color. So your progress is never guessed. It's right front of you. Now let's get into the actual planning. Here is the 7 table for each day of the week, one table for each day. Every table has a date cell starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to last day of the month, and right next to it, it's a day sale starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, according to the date of the sale from that month. Below that, you have got checkboxes sale and goal sale for that day. Here is how it works. You can set your goals, and right next to him, you should click that checkboxes it's get completed and the text color also gets changed. Every single day of the week has its own color, so it looks clean and organized, not like a mess. Here is the important cool thing you have to know. The checkboxes count only if the linked cell has set a goal for that day. So if you tick the checkboxes and the goal cell is empty, it doesn't get count or it doesn't get registered. Everything in this sheet is intentional. It tracks actually what you planned, no accidental click. Below the checkboxes of each day, you have got two percentage cells, one for completed and one for uncompleted, and middle cell that updates automatically according to how you doing that day. It's simple, satisfying, and motivating. And above every single day table, here is the donut chart that updates automatically every day as you check off your goals, so you can see your completion without reading a single number. One more thing, if the selected month doesn't start the starting of the week grid, cells which are unused automatically gets different color, likely faint purple color. So the template always looks intentional and clean. And finally, down in the left corner, here got quickly notes section where you can add quick notes, use it for anything. Reminder for next week, ideas, something you don't want to forget. It's a small detail, but honestly, one I use all the time. And one more thing, when you want to use this template, just duplicate this template right here, and you have got different template for that month. You can also change the name of that template and rename whatever you want. You can name it your month. That's it. You can reuse it after and after, and you don't have to build it from the scratch. If you want this exact template, link in the description below. All I ask is that give it a 5-star rating if really helps you. And if you have any questions or want to see another template, drop in it in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.